Hello guys, welcome back to Jiva. I am here today with a new recipe, stuffed veggie cutlet. Yes, you heard that right. Grab some veggies of your choice. For me, it's potatoes, green peas and carrots. I will now quickly put this into boil and head towards stuffing. For stuffing, I'll now quickly boil 1 to 2 cups of soya chunks. Now that the soya chunks are boiled, I'll now put them into a grinder and grind it. It's now time to fry this with some spices on it. Here's my pan. I'll put some butter into it. When the butter melts completely, I'll put 2 to 3 smashed garlic cloves into it, just to have the nice aroma of the garlic into the stuffing. Now that I have a nice aroma of the garlic, I'll just take it off from the pan and add the finely ground soya chunks into the pan. I will saute it well for a few minutes. I will now add on 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and salt to taste. We'll give it a nice stir. Be with me, there is something more. I will now add half tablespoon of mango powder and 1 to 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. We are now done here with the stuffing. It's now time to mash the boiled veggies. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I will now add some finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 to 3 finely chopped green chillies, finely chopped onion and some green bell peppers. I will also add some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and about 1 tablespoon of white pepper. I will mix it well before I add some more spices to it. Now I will add the spices which will make the cutlet really delicious, which is 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder. I will now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. I will mix it well and make a sticky dough. I will now grease my palm with some oil, take a little amount of dough and try to shape it round. I'll now flatten it and make some space for the stuffing. I'll put the soya stuffing into it now. Now to give the shape of a cutlet, I'll again shape it round and flatten it. I will now dip it into a mixture of flour and water. And then coat it well with the breadcrumbs. The cutlets are now ready to fry. We'll now shallow fry the cutlets. Until golden brown and crispy. And the cutlets are now ready to serve. You can enjoy this with some sauce and your choices of salads. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.